Without further ado, let's get into the video.
So the wig came in this silk bag with their logo on it, and you also get a silk wrap to slay your edges further, and you also get a wig cap and lashes on, and also you get a leaflet, a brochure of basically showing you how to handle and take care of your wig. And this is how the wig looks like, just giving you a close-up of the lace and the hairline, which I customized off camera. And the constructions, you've got 3 combs at the front and 1 at the back, and your adjustable strap as well, and just showing you the size of the lace as well. So going into the install, I'll first start off by cleaning the surface and making sure it's all clean, as it will help the adhesive to adhere much better. So now you see me just parting away basically this is the hair that I will be cutting off, as I do have a low hairline, so I'm just trying to customize it to my liking. And the glue I'll be using today is from Crown Beauty on Instagram. I'll leave all the details down below in the description box. So I used 2 layers of the clear glue. You see me just placing a little bit on, spread it out, use the blow dryer on cool setting, and then do another layer, thin layer, spread it out, and then use the blow dryer. I also used the ORS spray just to further melt this lace. I only used a tiny little bit, used my blow dryer and used my comb to just comb out the spray, just so it doesn't get really hard. So now I'm just doing the same process again. One layer, add a thin layer, spread it out, blow dry a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm having fun. I must have been listening to music. Yeah, and then just press it down. Use your comb to further melt it into your skin. And oh wow, look at that. It looks just like my hair. And yeah, so I'll just let you guys watch the other side, and yeah. And to further melt this lace, I'm using CB's laid band to achieve that. And you see me plucking a little bit, as I felt like it needed a bit more plucking. And yeah, guys, don't be afraid to go in and pluck a bit more if it's needed. And I'll also be using their wax stick, CB's wax stick, and just apply a little amount onto the hair, and then use your hot comb. I am using Papa Chi-Chi's pink hot comb. This hot comb is legit the best hot comb. It literally goes really hot and it lays your frontal, it lays it down. Let's just have a look, and look at that, look at that melt, look at that. It looks just like my hair. Quite easy to do. Like, oh my god, looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Like, you can't tell me that it isn't my hair.
So this is the final look, guys. So I decided to wear it straight. I wanted to curl it, but yeah, I don't like curling hair, so we went for this look instead. What do you guys think? What are we thinking? What are we feeling? I know I'm feeling good because this is giving me life. So let's get into the juicy bits, the juicy parts. I know that's what you guys have been waiting for. So yeah, first things first, I would like to thank Branded Hair Extensions for sponsoring this video. And that's the bag the wig came in. Branded Hair Extensions. And let's get into the specs, the details. Yeah, so this is a Kinky straight 13x4 unit, and it is also 180% density, and this is thick. Like, it is thick and full. I'm living for this. Like, and also it is a transparent lace. Yes. So those are the specs, and let's get into the juicier stuff. So yeah, it came pre-plucked, which was super nice. I just went in and did extra plucking as I wanted it to kind of mimic my own hairline, but other than that, perfect. So the hair took a while to bleach whilst bleaching the knots. It didn't take too long. So that was really good. So it lifted really well as well. That is a plus. And also shipping actually did take slightly longer than I'm used to. I would say 5 to 10 days. I've probably received it around like 7-8 days or so. Yeah, and one thing I would say, I did experience a little bit of shedding whilst installing this unit. From bleaching the knots to actually installing it, I did receive a little bit of shedding. However, it's not really excessive, so just bear that in mind. And yeah, so I also did straighten this unit just a little bit, just so I can get it to be slightly flatter, because when I washed it earlier on, it was quite big, so I wanted to straighten it. And as you can see, it looks so nice, and the luster is literally, oh my god, it just looks so pretty and it's really nice. Another thing I would say, the knots were kind of big towards the back. As I noticed, the ones at the front were really thin, but gradually going towards the back, it was slightly thicker. So that's another thing to bear in mind. However, I mean, as you can see, like, can't really see much of the knots anyway, so it's fine. But yeah, those are the only things I would say to bear in mind of. But other than that, this wig is amazing. Like, plucking it was literally so easy, guys. It was so easy. I didn't take too long to pluck, and installing it, and also the lace, melting the lace. Okay, I don't think I need to say more about the lace because y'all can see it. Yeah, so there isn't much to say, but yeah, do let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, I think Kinky straight is a vibe. It's literally a vibe. Before I forget, this is actually 24 inches, and that's where it goes. Literally down there. Yeah, 24 inches, and this is everything. I kid you not. Like, I'm actually in love. It just feels like my hair. It feels and looks like my hair. Looks like I got a blowout. Like, oh, come on. And it's so soft, guys. This hair is so soft. And as you can see, it just melts like a dream. And this is not even HD. Like, come on. This is not even HD, and it's giving me HD vibes. Not gonna lie, I'm actually proud of these swoopity swoops that I did, because sis be stressing about them. This is definitely gonna be one of my summer staples. Summer staple wigs, not lying. Like, this is something I would definitely be rocking during the summer. Hopefully we get a summer.